Are you curious about the process of opening a business bank account for your small business? And what advantages a business bank account offers? In this video, we'll be discussing about it. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Now, let's continue our video. Opening a business bank account is a crucial step because it allows you to separate your business finances from your personal money. When you go to open a business bank account, you'll need to bring some legal documentation with you, including your EIN, employer identification number, business formation documents, and the resolution to open a bank account. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Obtain an EIN number. An EIN is a tax ID number, similar to a Social Security number, SSN, issued to businesses by the IRS. LLCs and corporations are usually required to have an EIN before they can open a business bank account. You can get an EIN directly from the IRS or you can hire Northwest Registered Agent. Applying online is fastest, but business owners without a Social Security number will need to use the paper form. Now, you might be thinking if you need an EIN if you have a sole proprietorship? Actually, it depends. According to the IRS, a sole proprietorship isn't required to have an EIN unless they have employees or file an excise or pension plan tax return. Even so, some banks require sole proprietors to have an EIN in order to open a business bank account, while other banks will let you provide your Social Security number instead. Even if it's not required for you, it may be a good idea to get an EIN, because having an EIN means you don't have to give out your SSN to vendors and clients, which can help you avoid identity theft. Then, number 2. Create a resolution to open a bank account. If your business has more than one owner, it's a good idea to create a resolution to open a bank account, which is a document proving to the bank that the person opening the bank account has been authorized by the business to do so. Feel free to use one of our resolution to open a bank account templates. Northwest Registered Agents LLC operating agreement is the best option I found. First of all, it's easily accessible. You don't have to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent to access their template, which is nice and saves time. There are LLC resolution to open a bank account free template and corporate resolution to open a bank account free template. You can get a template in Google Docs or Word format. It's easy to use their custom operating agreement template, especially if you choose the Google Docs version. Just click the link and you can access the entire document. And it's quite easy to customize the template. If you choose the Google Docs format, you can customize elements straight from your web browser. If you choose the Word version, simply download the form, open it, and begin customizing it. One of the best things about Northwest's template is that you have so many options to customize it from their site. They allow you to choose a generalized template, a state-specific template, or templates that specify whether you want to run a single-member LLC, a multi-member LLC, or a manager-managed LLC. And to top it all off, it's a truly free LLC operating agreement template, and you can't beat free, right? Number 3. Choose a bank. You should also consider where you want to open your business bank account. Here are a few things to consider when choosing a bank for your business. Monthly fees. Minimum balance requirement. Incidental fees, such as for overdrafts. Convenience of location. Online and mobile banking options. Number 4. Bring the necessary documentation to the bank. When you're ready to open your account, you should make sure to bring the following to the bank with you. Personal identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Business formation documents, such as articles of incorporation or LLC articles of organization. LLC operating agreement, for LLCs only. Corporate bylaws, for corporations only. EIN, if you have one, or SSN, if you don't. Resolution to open a bank account. Opening deposit, required by some banks. Now, a common question is, do I have to open my business bank account in person? Not necessarily. Many banks will let you open a business bank account online. Am I legally required to have a business bank account? It depends on your business type. LLCs and corporations have a legal obligation to keep their business assets separate from their personal assets in order to maintain their limited liability status. That's because an LLC or corporation is considered a separate legal entity from its owners. If you don't keep your business finances separate, a court could rule that your business is not truly a separate entity, and you could be held personally liable for debts or charges against the business. Sole proprietorships and general partnerships are not required to keep their business assets separate. However, it's still a smart idea to keep your business money in a separate bank account, so that you can easily calculate your business expenses and profits during tax season. Let's talk about opening an LLC bank account for non-residents of the United States. If you live overseas and would like to start a business in the USA, you'll need a US bank account. This is relevant whether you plan to have a physical presence in a particular state or conduct sales online. Do I need a US bank account if I live abroad? In order to benefit from the limited liability status LLCs afford, you'll need to open a business bank account for your company. While there's no law requiring LLCs to have domestic bank accounts, having a US bank account makes business much easier for you and your clients. Otherwise, you'll face complications with foreign exchange rates and IRS record-keeping requirements. Let's discuss how non-residents can open US bank accounts. Obtaining a US bank account as a non-US resident is not simple, but the process is a little easier for businesses than it is for individuals. Before reaching out to a bank, you'll need to complete a few crucial steps. File formation documents with a US state. Secure a registered agent. Obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service. After you set up your LLC, you'll want to contact the bank with which you intend to do business and make sure they're willing to open bank accounts for non-US citizens. If they're on board, you'll need to provide the following information: passport and an ID card, driver's license from your home country, articles of organization, LLC operating agreement, EIN number, proof of your LLC's US address. Some banks may also require you to list your address from your home country. The bank you choose may require additional documents, so it's a good idea to call ahead and ask. You may be asking yourself, do I need to be in the US to open a US bank account at this point? Well, not necessarily. It used to be the case that anyone living outside the US needed to be in the country to open an American bank account. In many cases, that meant making an international trip just to get a bank account. However, some online banks, Mercury, Silicon Valley Bank, Everbank, among others, may allow you to open an account without leaving your living room, which means you won't have to travel to the US to bank here. Let's now talk about the top 4 advantages of a business bank account for small businesses. First, Priority 1. Personal liability protection. The number one most important reason to start a small business bank account is for personal liability protection, by separating your personal and business finances. Not only does this make it easier to track expenses, file taxes and manage cash flow, but it also helps you define your business as a separate entity. This, combined with forming a legal business entity, offers powerful protection to your personal assets in the case of legal action against your business. Separating your business versus personal finances might involve getting a small business checking account, savings account, and business credit card. These should be solely for business use and never for personal transactions. This separation makes managing your finances easier. Number 2. Better bookkeeping and accounting. Another benefit to opening a business bank account is a more streamlined bookkeeping and accounting process. Managing your business's income and expenses is time-consuming and, when you don't have a clear delineation between your business and personal finances, often stressful. When you have a small business checking account that stores only your business transactions, then you have all of your business income and deductions in one place. This makes managing your bookkeeping and filing your taxes streamlined, clean, and simple. If you have employees, it will also help with payroll management and ensure your books are balanced, without any end of the month or year. Number 3. Ease of use. When you're a busy business owner, eliminating hassle is a must. And if you have a dedicated business bank account, you'll be in a position to navigate your finances without jumping through hoops or putting your personal privacy in jeopardy. With a business account, you can accept customer payments in multiple ways, credit cards, checks, or ACH transfers, and have the money deposited directly for immediate access. Another benefit of using a business bank account versus a personal one is that you get online and mobile access to your business's financial information. Small business owners are often on the go, and having access to the financial numbers you need from anywhere could simplify your life and make accomplishing tasks easier. Last and finally, number 4. A bright financial future. Combined, these 3 top benefits have one proven result: a better handle on your business's financial future. The more information you have, the easier it is to plan and project your financial needs months or even years down the road. With better planning, you can start to create a rainy day fund or savings to reinvest in your business. It will also make it easy for you to apply for funding or a loan. Many lenders won't work with businesses that don't have a separate small business bank account or who commingle personal and business finances. In conclusion, as you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. Though Northwest Registered Agent does not have a business banking partnership, but if you use Northwest Registered Agent to register your business, we recommend getting a business bank account. We recommend Mercury. They don't charge a monthly fee, have higher FDIC insurance amounts, and have the best integrations of all the banks we reviewed. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and wish you success with your venture.